Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the fastest way that I've found to be like efficient in harvesting wakame. And this is for like grinding for the exploration points. So we are going to go to Whalefall Canyon and start here. On this one specifically, it's going to be like on the rock on the like bottom part. So you won't see it up here. Then you're going to go to this, like, I don't know, rock. And then you're going to go here. This is going to be our third one. And then we are going to go to our fourth one, which is right over here. And then our fifth one is going to be here on this one. Our fifth one. And then this is going to be our sixth one. And then our seventh one is going to be here next to the dolphin's trough. Right over here. And the eighth Wakame area is right over here. And then you're just going to do that again, go to the number one spot, and then 2, 3, 4, etc. This grind does get boring, I must say, but it is efficient. Okay, so if it hasn't recharged, I suggest you just clean up the areas first because you will gain like some exploration points by doing that. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you guys have any more efficient way to do this, you can comment down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.